Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll explain why the cheapest shipping method is automatically selected at Shopify Checkout. Many merchants want to change this, but Shopify has an important limitation you should know. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, I'll show you the checkout section so that we can go to the online store. Okay, here we can add some products. Click on it. Okay, I think there is some products in the cart. Go to the cart section. Okay, now click on checkout. Okay, here in checkout section, we can see that the standard shipping is defaultly selected. So here we can notice that Shopify automatically select the cheapest shipping option by default. So this is Shopify built-in checkout behavior. So you can go to the Shopify admin dashboard, and here in app section, go to the next reorder app, click on it and click on shipping method, and here click on quick reorder shipping method. Okay, here we can see that if even you move express shipping to the top using the next reorder app, Shopify will still automatically select the cheapest available shipping method. We can just look for it so that can here select the express. Then we can give it as first option. Okay, now click on save. Then we can go to the checkout section and let refresh, and here we can look which option they defaultly selected. Let refresh. Okay, click on it. Okay, here we can see the express delivery is moved to the first position, but the Shopify selected the standard shipping defaultly. So that's it. So this is a Shopify limitation, not a next reorder app limitation. So the next reorder app can change the order of shipping method, but it cannot change which shipping method Shopify select by default. So here it is. So that's it. So now you know why the cheapest shipping method is automatically selected at checkout. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.